How to change who can see your number on Facebook. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, but if you use Android phone, you can see the menu on the upper right side on your screen. But I use iOS, so you'll have to do is go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, okay, scroll down and go to audience and visibility. And audience and visibility, go to profile details. Okay guys, sir, scroll down and contact info section, you can see here the mobile number. And to change who can see your number, okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit icon on the right side of this number. And the pop-up below our show. Okay, tap the manage contact info. And now here, you can see the number. Okay, you can tap the number. And here in number, you can see the who can see your number button here. So you can tap this and you can see here the change visibility on Facebook. Okay, you can tap the change the visibility of Facebook. And now you can see the options. So you can set into public, friend, only me, or you can set into this person. And okay guys, for my example, I change into only me. The who can see your number. And that's it. Okay, go back and go back again. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed who can see your number. So okay, you can refresh this to change. You can see the change. Okay, as you can see the only me on my number. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed who can see your number on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.